Okay, let's dive right into this. Look, if you're watching this, you probably already know that artificial intelligence is completely reshaping the way we work. But there is a massive misconception out there about what it actually takes to get into the game. So in today's explainer, we're breaking down the ultimate free roadmap to master AI from absolute scratch. And honestly, more importantly, we're going to show you how to use it to launch a highly scalable side hustle with exactly zero upfront capital. See, most people think building an AI-powered business requires thousands of dollars in monthly subscriptions or, advanced degree-level coding skills. But they literally couldn't be more wrong. The reality? The barrier to entry right now is practically zero. There are free, world-class AI tools sitting right at your fingertips this very second. If you know how to leverage them, which we're going to show you, you can build incredibly profitable businesses without spending a single dime on software. So here is our definitive Heroes Toolkit for today's explainer. We just busted the AI cost myth. Next, we'll outline the free learning stack. Then we'll go over 3 zero-cost business ideas you can launch today. After that, we'll wrap up by building your free AI tool arsenal and then get you totally ready to start experimenting. All right, Section 1, the free learning stack. Let's master AI without all the expensive fluff. Okay, these 3 specific resources, they replace years of traditional education and completely eliminate the need for those ridiculously expensive bootcamps. First up, Google and DeepLearning.AI. They offer comprehensive courses on generative AI fundamentals to build your bedrock. Second, you've got LearnPrompting.org, which gives you structured, interactive guides on how to actually talk to these AI models to get high-value outputs. And third, open-source communities like GitHub and Hugging Face. Think of these as your endless playground for documentation and totally free models. I absolutely love this quote because it hits the nail right on the head. You do not need a $999 course. You just don't. The real secret sauce here is mastering prompt engineering. And actually, just to be super clear on what that is, prompt engineering is simply the art of giving clear context, assigning roles, setting constraints, and providing output examples to the AI. Basically, it's just learning how to steer the machine. Which brings us to the million-dollar question. Well, actually, let's call it the zero-cost question. So how do we turn these newly acquired prompt engineering skills into actual functioning businesses? How do we monetize this knowledge? That brings us to Section 2, 3 zero-cost business ideas. Let's get into the high-margin stuff. Let's kick things off with idea number 1. And remember, the beauty of this whole system is you could literally start building this exact model this afternoon. Idea number 1 is building an AI-powered micro-agency for local businesses. Just think about traditional brick-and-mortar businesses in your town, right? The plumbers, the local dentists, independent small gyms. They are amazing at what they do, but let's be honest, they notoriously struggle with their digital presence. Managing online reviews, churning out consistent social media content, following up quickly with leads, it's overwhelming for them. And that is exactly your opening. Now, on the tooling side, you just use the free tiers of conversational AI tools to generate, say, an entire month's social media calendar in 5 minutes. Or you draft SEO-optimized local landing pages, or write custom autoresponder scripts. The real magic here happens with the value transfer. For a local business owner, you are solving a massive, time-consuming headache. But for you, once you know how to prompt the AI properly, the marginal cost of creating all that content is exactly zero. All right, let's shift gears to the second high-margin idea, which focuses a bit more on building your own digital real estate. This is the niche content and micro-publishing model. The whole concept here is to create specialized newsletters, targeted blogs, or highly focused social channels. But the real trick, you have to pick a very specific industry. Don't just do architecture, do sustainable architecture. Don't just do real estate, do hyper-local real estate market trends. By picking a really tight niche, you immediately stand out as an authority in that space. And guys, this model is incredibly scalable today. Your tooling just involves using free AI research assistants to do all the heavy lifting for you, summarizing complex industry papers, outlining articles, and drafting engaging posts. You simply step in and act as the editor-in-chief, maintaining that crucial human editorial control. And because you've built this hyper-targeted audience, you unlock high CPM sponsorships, super lucrative affiliate links, and the ability to sell your own digital products. And here we go, the third and final zero-cost business blueprint in our lineup. Idea number 3, automated B2B sales and outreach copywriting. Look, here is the dirty little secret of the business-to-business world. Small sales agencies and startups, desperately need leads, but they absolutely struggle to write personalized, non-generic outreach. Most cold emails and LinkedIn messages, they're terrible. Your business is stepping in to craft high-converting, personalized sequences for them. Let me break down the mechanics of how you actually pull this off. For your tooling, you take a target company's bio, their recent news, and their audience profile, and you feed all of that context straight into your AI tool. The AI then spits out highly tailored, incredibly specific sales templates that actually sound like a real human wrote them. The value proposition is huge. Because good copy directly leads to actual sales, small agencies are more than willing to pay premium monthly retainers for high-converting outreach copy. All right, moving on to Section 3, your free AI tool arsenal. Let's actually build out your toolkit. Consider this me quietly sliding the industry secrets across the table to you. For text and research, your foundational tools are Gemini, the free tier of Claude, and the free tier of ChatGPT. You absolutely do not need the paid versions to get started. These are your absolute workhorses. Use them for brainstorming your micro-agency strategies, drafting those B2B outreach scripts, conducting deep market research for your niche newsletter, or hey, even helping you write basic code if you need a simple website. But text is only half the battle, right? To totally round out your toolkit, you need visuals and audio too. For design, Canva has some absolutely fantastic free AI features. That, alongside Stable Diffusion, which is a really powerful, free, local image generator, is perfect for client graphics or video thumbnails. Then for audio, Audacity offers free AI plugins for cleaning up sound, and you can leverage the free trial of 11 Labs for incredibly realistic voiceovers. Your entire production studio literally costs nothing. Which brings us to Section 4, start experimenting. Taking action today. I want to leave you with this final, absolutely crucial thought. The gap between people who use AI to work faster and those who don't is widening every single day. The train is leaving the station, folks. But as we've seen today, you do not need a huge budget to get on board. You just need the curiosity to start testing these tools. So my challenge to you right now is this. Pick just one business idea we discussed today, open up one of those free AI tools, and just start experimenting. Seriously, right now. What are you going to build first?